Good morning, guys. I'm going to jump back on a CTS today, but I need a very important equipment to me, my power washer, because I have to clean all the areas underneath, get all the dirt out, because if you try to paint over dirt, that is not good. So I have my power washer here. We're going to totally take it apart, rebuild the carburetor, even rebuilding the engine. I have never done it before. I don't think it's going to be that hard from rebuilding that engine and rebuilding a regular car engine. So I guess let's get started. Alrighty, the first thing we're going to do is drain the oil out real quick. Just put a little drain under there. Let's see if I can get to it. There we go. It looks like it could use an oil change. And I change it every year. It shouldn't be that much. Put the plug back in. Alright, well, we'll tighten that up later on. Get the oil out the way. Broken. Didn't notice that. need to remove this. Now, I just want to show you, I bought this tool a while ago. It's to pull like these clamps off. I mean, you can use pliers. I like, sometimes the pliers are fine, but in those hard to reach areas, it's very hard. And I didn't know where I put it for months on end, so I just found it, and I was curious, so I'm gonna try it on this little connector here and see if it'll work. And this is full of gas, so I know you put it on there, you squeeze it, and it locks in place, and then it just rolls right out. Just going to take one of the bolts and release. See if we have any gasoline coming out. The next part, I think we probably need to remove all of this plastic. Pop off, or I may just broke something. Oh no, it pops off. Sweet. I want to put this back in there and gas cap so nothing will fall in there. Start taking off screws until they start coming apart. I'm gonna take those off. Gas tank there. Ooh, dripping gasoline. Just gonna roll it back. We don't really need to take it off. We just need to remove this top cover to expose the engine. Let's see, will this come all the way out? Yeah. Keep my fuel out the way. It's part of the rebuild. Actually, I haven't even opened it yet, the rebuild kit. Set that to the side. We'll maybe take it off. Oh, this is part of the kit. Take it off. I know I need to pull the exhaust off. Those are tins. Nope, they're not tins. Exhaust off. Pull the valve cover off. I don't want oil all over the place. I'm not sure if it has oil up in there. I'm pretty sure it does. Nice and clean. Go ahead and pull the head off, cylinder head. Got push rods. That's cool. It doesn't look too bad. Set that to the side. Show you inside. You can see in there. That's the piston. Cylinder head. I'm gonna get it all pulled apart more. Okay, this is a tad bit different than what I'm used to, because usually you could just pull the cylinder walls bore out and the piston is there, but this one looks like I have to split the case. And I cannot split the case because I don't have the gasket that goes there. So we're going to hold off on putting a new piston in. That's the new piston there, until I order the whole gasket kit, because I have to separate. I'm pretty sure of that. So the cylinder. So what I want to do is just going to clean this up, clean up that, because it's a little rusty. It's probably not picking up enough power, but it moves really good, very smooth. Alrighty. So let's give a little cleaner on there. Let's see if we can get some of this off. I'm gonna try just a regular wire brush. Try not to mess with the push rods too much, so I can force it in there. Make sure that they seat it. Okay. It looks like they seated okay. Now, I do not know the actual torque specs. So I'm just going to torque it down to what I think is going to be good, and that's good and tight. Golly. Okay, I'm gonna check it out and see if it'll actually start. I don't have a primer on it, so I'm hoping that the bowl will fill up. I just gotta choke it and try to start it. Let's see if it'll work. Let's see. That's full run there. Well, sorry about that. So, it worked. Alright, thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions about the rebuilding of the carburetor and anything else about power washer or any little small motor or engine, probably can fix it. We will be having another project coming to the channel soon. We need to keep as different and more content as possible. It's everything that I do, it's going to be engine related and rebuilding. So I may have another project coming in soon. It's going to be needed to be rebuilt. We will jump back, well not we, I will jump back on a Cadillac very soon. The weather's been crazy. It's been high winds and raining today. That's why the video had to cut and stop for a while. And we're going to jump back on a Jeep. I do still have to pull the engine for that. I will get that on video. I'm thinking about repainting a Cadillac at my friend's house because he wanted to help, and he bought a huge tent, so that probably going to be the best thing. But the first thing we're gonna have to do is pull the doors off and repaint the jambs and put all that stuff back together, and then shoot the whole car. I'm gonna shoot the bumpers and side skirts separately. If any questions else, please comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much.